Guys, welcome back to Drew tutorial, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to easily switch between profiles with one click of a button within Instagram. Now what I'm going to do first, as you see I'm in Instagram here, I'm going to click on my profile on the lower right hand side. Then on the uppermost left hand side, guys, you will see where I have my account name there, right? And beside that you can see a drop down. Now if I click on that drop down, you realize I have 3 accounts here within my Instagram account, right? So that's how people will normally go ahead and switch between accounts, right? However, in order to switch between accounts within Instagram, all you have to do is simply double tap on your account on the lower right hand side. Just tap on it twice. Have a look at this. 1 2, you see I switch between my profile again. 1 2, you see it switched between my profile again. 1 2, it switched between the profile again. 1 2, it switched between my profile again. So that's how you easily switch between accounts within your Instagram profile by simple double tap on your profile on the lower right hand side. Very easy and very simple.